Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about what are the tips that you should follow for the last this. I mean, it's not compulsory. If you have a better plan for yourself, then go with that. But in this video I'm going to share some of the tips which will be very helpful for you to score 60 on 60 in math section of IIT. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay, so the first tip is that do the formula revision of every chapter. It's really very crucial for you to do formula revisions of every chapter for your math section, because everything is dependent on formula, because they are not going to ask you the derivation of the formulas. Instead of that, they are going to ask you the applications of those formulas, right? So you should revise the formulas with the regular interval of time, and yeah, you should keep revising your formulas. Okay, so let's move with the next tip. So the second most important tip here is that you should solve math and go का 500 top questions. Yeah, so here is a catch कि तुम बोलोगे that why you kept math and go का 500 questions at the top instead of solving JEE Mains question. You can solve the JEE Mains question, but what I think is solving 500 questions of math and go for your maths exam is more better. Like it's better to do rather than doing JEE Mains का question of past 10 years if you don't have time right now. Okay, I know, but then you can do the math and go का module. So that's why I just gave the math and go for the number second as a tip. So that's it for the second. Let's move with the third. Okay, so the third tip is solving JEE Mains का past year questions at least 10 years, right? For PCB students I would suggest कि तुम मेन चैप्टर्स जो भी मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियोस बनाए उस पर देखो कौन से इंपॉर्टेंस है, पहले उसको कवर करो, एंड देन इफ़ यू हैव टाइम एंड अगर तुम बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोर कर रहे हो देन यू शुड डू मैथ्स ऑल्सो, राइट? तो PCB वालों को मैथ्स भी करना होगा इफ़ दे आर टारगेटिंग अराउंड 170 180, बिकॉज आई पर्सनली डोंट थिंक कि तुम PCB के दम पर 170 के आसपास ला सकते हो, बिकॉज इट्स टू हार्ड, राइट? सो इसीलिए सो लेट्स मूव विद द अदर टिप. Okay, so the last tip in this video I'm going to tell you is that like the most common, and मैंने सारे वीडियोस में वो बता रखा है, is that giving a mock test. I know तुम भी ये सुन के पक चुके होंगे, या फिर you're like क्या भैया बोलता रहता है, क्या अधर बोलता रहता है, but yeah, it is very crucial for you not only giving test but also analyze it, revise those concepts which are wrong, which got wrong in your test, right? If you are just giving your test and you are not analyzing and revising, then it is not worth at all. Like you are just wasting your time. So give your test, analyze it, revise. Yeah, that should be your plan. Like you should stick to this kind of thing, right? You are not just like test dete ja raho. It's not like that. Okay, so give your test promptly, show some dedication towards the exam, right? To the preparation, what you are doing, keep it as your aim. Okay, it's fine that you have not scored well in JEE or NEET, whatever, but now at least you should keep IT as your aim, not as an option, right? If you are putting it as an option, then might be like you might be take it as an option, तो फिर तुम्हारा स्कोर भी ऑप्शन की तरह आएगा, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग डोंट टेक इट एज अ ऑप्शन, टेक इट एज योर एम कि मुझे यही करना है, मुझे रिसर्च करना है. सो लाइक तुम उसको एफर्ट्स डाल कर, राइट? जैसे तुम नीट और JEE के लिए डाल देते हो और तुम्हें उसका गम था कि तुम्हें उतना अच्छा मार्क्स नहीं मिला, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग कि मॉक टेस्ट दो, अच्छे से दो, डेडिकेशन रखो. एंड या दैट वाज द लास्ट टिप फॉर दिस वीडियो. होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सॉरी फॉर द डिले इन दिस वीडियो बिकॉज मुझे थोड़ा काम आ गया. तो सो या दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. बाय बाय एंड कीप स्टडिंग. ओके, या बाय.